my name is JR Perales, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use assistive devices, or how to demonstrating the different types of gate patterns of assistive devices. Ganun lang. So, we have these 2-point gate patterns, ipsilateral. Paano ulit yung ipsilateral? And then, another type of 2-point gate pattern is contralateral. Okay? And then, we have the 3-point gate patterns. Hindi na kasama yung non-weight bearing. In case na natanongin kayo nun. 3-point gate pattern. And then 4-point gate pattern. Yeah, basta isa-isa. Okay. And then swing 2. And then swing 2. Pag yung paghawak nyo ng crutches, yung force na dito pa rin sa crutch natin. Wala sa auxiliary pad din. Hindi yung ganito maglalakad yung pag-ganito. Okay, sisitayin kayo ng assessor. Yun lang. That's how easy the demo is. Pero